Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Apex Legends Easy Anti-Cheat error when the game does not launch properly on PC. First, close Apex Legends if it is open. Now open Steam and go to your library. Find Apex Legends in the list, right-click on it, and choose Properties. In the new window, click on Installed Files. Here, you will see an option called Verify Integrity of Game Files. Click on it and wait. This process checks if any game files are missing or broken and fixes them automatically. It can take a few minutes, so let it finish fully. Once it is done, close the Properties window. If the error still shows up, the next step is very important. You need to make sure Apex Legends and Easy Anti-Cheat are running as administrator. Still in Steam, click on Browse. This will open the game folder. Look for the Apex Legends launcher or Apex Legends EX file. Right-click on it and choose Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the option that says Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply and then OK. Now, in the same folder, find the Easy Anti-Cheat folder. Open it and look for the Easy Anti-Cheat executable file. Right-click on that file, go to Properties, open the Compatibility tab, and again enable Run this program as an administrator. Apply the changes and close the window. After doing this, fully restart Steam. Make sure Steam is completely closed from the taskbar, then open it again. Once Steam is back on, go to your library and launch Apex Legends normally. Your game should now launch without the error. Thanks for watching.